Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica J, and if you're new here, I do home decor videos, shop with me videos, hauls, and lifestyle videos. So if that interests you in any way, please consider subscribing. And to all my returning subscribers, hello, how are you? The background's a little bit different. We got rid of all the, Christmas decor, and now we're gonna be celebrating New Year's. So I kind of have a bar situation back there. I'm gonna have a charcuterie moment. I'm gonna record a whole video with that, but it's gonna be a reel on my Instagram account. So if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, my name on there is MyJessicaJ. So please follow me on there so you guys can see, little videos that I post on there and behind the scenes shop with me videos. So 2020 is literally right around the corner. It's like tomorrow. You guys are gonna start to see a lot of new products, and I think it's gonna be fun to see, new items coming out and what's gonna be trendy. So with that being said, we're gonna go to my favorite store, Homegoods, to see what they have. I'm looking to redo my whole living room, so I'm just looking for pieces that I could bring into my home. And Target came out with a bunch of new stuff. I'm sure you guys saw some of it on your Instagram accounts, maybe some YouTube videos, but I'm gonna go to Target to see what my Target has. So if you guys wanna see what's at HomeGoods and Target, and maybe see a haul at the end, and maybe my thoughts on what Target has going on, then keep watching. Okay, first up is HomeGoods, and this shopping trip consists of a couple of different HomeGoods. Neither of them are my all-time favorite ones, but that's okay. They still had some stuff worth showing. So I've been trying to find a petrified wood bowl with some black in it, and this was it, but what's up with the flaking? Is that normal? HomeGoods had a bunch of these West Elm candles, and please believe I picked up a lot of those for gifts. Hopefully you guys were able to pick some of those up, or maybe your HomeGoods will be getting those in because they were good. I feel like now's the time to look at HomeGoods for their lamps. If you're interested in lamps, go to HomeGoods right now. I really love the shape of this vase right here, and if this design isn't your vibe, you can just spray paint that. But I just love this shape, and it's really good for putting stems in. It kind of keeps everything together. Okay, I was getting summertime, backyard barbecue vibes here. I know we just hit winter, but I don't know about you guys, I'm ready for summer already. And check out these alabaster lamps. Like, it just looks so romantic, and I would have gotten them if it was just a regular lamp with a regular light shade, but they still were nice. These chairs were beautiful and priced so well. They're DKNY, and if you don't like that gold detail, you can just spray paint that, but I thought these were really, really nice. I thought this rug was absolutely beautiful. It was soft to the touch, but I just don't know if it was too much gray for my house since I have gray floors already, but I don't know. I was kind of like, should I get it, test it out? I don't know, you guys tell me, did I make a mistake by leaving this at Homegoods? Okay, we finally made it to Target, and you guys, so much going on with this trip. Let me tell you, I had such a hard time finding these plates when I was doing my Christmas tablescape, and it's just plates galore all of a sudden. Here's one of the new chairs from the Studio McGee line, and I think it's pretty nice, but I would actually love to see this chair in black with the creamy colored cushions. I think that would look amazing. I actually really like these hurricane candle holders with the marble base. Pretty good, Target, pretty good. This ottoman is new from the Studio McGee line, and I actually think they did a really good job with this one. So I thought the face of these drawers were very unique and very nice. I just don't know how I feel about this piece. I don't know, guys. I really don't know. Now the ottomans down below, I actually really like those. I love the color. I love the shape. They got a little dirty down there. I don't know what happened to them, but I like those. Okay, I think this bench is absolutely beautiful. I don't know if you can fluff that pillow top out. I didn't try to. Maybe they just took it out the box and kind of just left it as is. Hopefully you can, because I think that piece is actually really nice. So it looks like Threshold came out with some items as well. And I think this face, this bud face right here, is absolutely gorgeous. Target has really stepped up their game with their vases. And you guys already know this is a West Elm dupe, and only $15. Here's another accent chair by the Studio McGee line, and I think they did a really good job with this one. This looks high end, in my opinion. What do you guys think about this one? All right, guys, we're back. So surprisingly, I really didn't get anything. It's kind of like, you know, hit or miss if I don't go to my all-time favorite HomeGoods. So yeah, nothing from HomeGoods, but I did pick up one thing from Target. And first, let's just talk about what is at Target right now. You guys saw a bunch of new pieces from Studio McGee, a bunch of new pieces from Project 62 and Opal House. My Target, the Target I went to is actually a super Target. I had high hopes that they were gonna have everything. They didn't. I'm actually gonna go to a Target again later on today to see if I can find any new items. So my thoughts on the Target collection, everything new at Target. I think Opal House is adorable. It just reminds me of like vacation vibes, like maybe Bali or like India. I think we're gonna start to see more things coming out with Opal House. I feel like they kind of like were on the back burner a bit in 2020. Obviously, Studio McGee, lots of new pieces from Studio McGee, and a lot of pieces I wasn't expecting to see at Target. I feel like she's stepping up her game a bit with the new designs for 2021. The furniture pieces, some of them, I don't know. One of the drawer sets, I love the face of it, the drawers and everything, but the top, I don't know, I wasn't really feeling it. I know it's Target, so we have to like keep that in mind, but it just looked kind of cheap. I hate to say that. I really don't like to talk bad about anybody's collection. I actually like Shay, and I think that she is doing a phenomenal job. And I know some people like are picking up pieces. I never want to talk about, you know, pieces that you are absolutely loving, but I just didn't like the way the wood looked. So that's just my opinion. Her chairs, they look really nice. The bench that I saw looked really nice. We're just gonna have to wait a little bit to see what else rolls out. I think those jug vases from Studio McGee are amazing. I'm trying to think what else that we saw there. Just like little decor pieces and accent pieces looked really good. Now, Project 62, I feel like we're gonna see a lot more from them in 2021. Project 62 is more of the modern side, and I love a good modern moment. What are your thoughts on what you're seeing with the Studio McGee, with the Project 62? What are your guys' thoughts? What do you guys think? So I did pick up one item. You guys know I'm trying to be more selective with what I'm bringing in the house because I'm trying to focus really on my living room for 2021. So this is the item that I got, and it's actually by the Project 62. I did not realize that. I thought it was the Studio McGee line. So it's this Project 62, and I got this because sometimes I'll buy those planted herbs from the grocery store. Like I'll buy mint, sometimes rosemary, and I need like a pot to put it in so it can last, I don't know, like this couple of weeks that it usually lasts for, at least in my kitchen. So I picked up this. I thought the hole was wide enough for me to stick that in. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it white though. I don't know what it is, but when I put it in my kitchen, it just wasn't vibing with it. But yeah, it's more of like a functional item. I need a pot for my herbs. All right, so that was the haul. I know it was short, sweet, and simple, but like I said, I like taking you guys shopping, seeing what's out there. Have a happy and safe new year. I appreciate each and every one of you guys so much, and I will see you guys very soon in a new video. Bye.